Hello everyone, our today's topic is letter of inquiry and making inquiries. Before this, I have uploaded the video of placing orders. Okay, and in that I have told you the format of business or official letters. Okay, this one is also the part of business or official letter. Letter of inquiry, it means when we want information regarding something. As before placing order, we want information regarding the material, and for that we ask for the catalog. For example, catalog for books, catalog for sports material. And similarly, after completing our education, like when suppose you have completed your 10th and after that you want to do a short term courses, and for that you write a letter regarding short term course or inquiry regarding short term course. It can also be regarding summer course, it can also be regarding course in wastewater management and course in computer programming. Also in any field, if you want to do any course, before joining that course you want complete information regarding that course, and for that we write letter. Inquiry, it means information regarding the course which you want to join in a particular institute or any center. Okay, and today we are going to do as example I am telling you this one. Your younger brother wishes to join a personality development course after BTech. It means your brother has completed his BTech and now he want to join a course in personality development. Write a letter to the director, personal care center, seeking information about the course, and you want complete information regarding the course. You are, this one is your on address, Arjun Sharma, resident of E20 sector 15 Noida. Already I have told you the format of this one. Again I am telling you this one. At first write sender's address. Sender, it means who is writing that letter. Here you are it means you are writing that letter. So sender's address is Arjun Sharma, residents of E20 sector 15 Noida. Always write name at the end. Here we are avoiding this name, just we are writing E20 sector 15 Noida. This one is the sender's address. After writing sender's address, leave a single line and then write date, September 19, 2020. Again give space of single line and write the receiver's address. It means the person to whom you are writing that letter, and this letter we are writing to the director, personal care center. The director, personal care center, New Delhi. This one is the receiver's address. After this write subject or salutation. You can change its places. Either you can write sir and after that the subject sir or madam, any. And you can also write subject before salutation. Here I am writing subject first, subject, then put colon, inquiry regarding. At this place you can also use the word about. Here you can also write about, inquiry about or inquiry regarding personality development course. According to the course you can change this subject. Inquiry regarding personality development course. If you are inquiring, you are going to do inquiry regarding computer programming, you can also write inquiry regarding a course in computer. Okay. After subject write salutation. It means sir or madam. Then body of the letter. This is in reference to your advertisement in the Times of India. Students, remember this. If the name of the newspaper is given, you have to write that name, not the Times of India. Whatever is given in the heading, you have to write that. Okay. This is in reference to your advertisement in the Times of India dated 2nd September 2020 regarding a certificate course in personality development. Okay. You will tell them कि we have read this advertisement in this particular newspaper on this date. Okay, you have to mention this one. I wish to inquiry about the details of the same. Same, it means the same course which you have already mentioned in the subject. I wish to inquire about the details of the same. Please send me the following details about the course. And after changing paragraph, write whatever details you want regarding that course. And the details are eligibility for the course. It means what's the eligibility, whether is it 10th or 12th or graduation. Okay, you want to know about the eligibility. Then duration and timing, it means the course is of 3 months, of 6 months, 1 year or 2 year. You want to know regarding that duration and timing. It means what is the timing of that institute or that center, it's of morning or of evening. Date of commencement, it means when the courses are going to start, classes are going to start. Fees and mode of payment. Then size of batch, it means how many batch are there, how many batch are running, or the size of the batch, it means how many students are there in each batch. Then details about the faculty, about the staff. Concession for meritorious students, is there any concession for the students who got merit? Then again change your paragraph. These are your requirements, these are the points which you want to know regarding that course. Again change paragraph. In case you have printed brochure or typed information in this regard, kindly forward it to me. Then I am enclosing a self-addressed envelope. I am enclosing a self-addressed envelope with a stamp for this purpose. Then you have to write an early response will enable me to join the course immediately. Their early response or an early response will enable me to join the course immediately. After that, yours faithfully. Subscription is there. Then the name, whatever is given in the heading, you have to write here. And in this letter, we have given the name, you are Arjun Sharma, and same name you have to write here, Arjun Sharma. Okay, yours faithfully, no need of comma after this. Always write yours, no apostrophe should be there, or don't write your. This one is also incorrect, and if you write like this one is also not right. Okay, write yours faithfully, Arjun Sharma. You can also put thanks here. Before subscription, also put thanks. Okay, thanks in anticipation or thanks. With this, your inquiry letter is complete. Okay, thank you students.